What is going on in Texas, man? Mouse eating a snake. Bullfrog stuck on ice.
And I just want y'all to fucking know, there are 7 floors in this parking garage. Look at all of these fucking spaces, okay? Why did this fucking single fucking lot have a fucking pipe leak? Why?
Now's a good time to remind everyone that back in 2002, Texas deregulated and privatized its entire electrical grid so that a couple of wealthy people could get even richer. And while every major Texas Republican politician as well as oil CEOs are trying to push out this narrative, as of Monday afternoon, 26 of the 34 gigawatts on ERCOT's grid that were going offline was from thermal sources. And thermal means gas and coal. Now, wind turbines did freeze, and they did eventually underperform. But the natural gas infrastructure actually underperformed to a greater degree. Frozen power lines and equipment along the electrical grid was a far bigger cause for the power outages than generation shortages. And considering there are wind turbines in Alaska and the wind turbines along the coast of Texas are working just fine, maybe it's less to do with the kind of energy and more the fact that Texas Republicans like to play political theater instead of taking care of their infrastructure.
I'm sick, so yeah. Anyway, I live in Texas and we've been so lucky and fortunate to have electricity just about this whole entire time. However, let's check out that electricity bill. So here we're looking at Monday's usage, $990.44 for one day, which made our total almost $2,000 for an electric bill. This is our usage for Tuesday alone, $1,265.01, bringing our total of what we owe our electric company $3,194.12. This is Wednesday's usage alone, $1,005.64 just for one day, which brought our grand total so far almost $5,000.